One of the things that I want to go over with you today when we're talking about our router is the bit that we use to cut our grid. Now, if you notice, this bit, this is a 1/4 inch end mill here up at the top, but then it's got this relief up here on the top. Like we talked about earlier in our video when we opened our All-Star gasket material, it gives a chamfer up at the top, and that allows your gasket to squeeze down without getting under your material. This is very important, and for the little bit of money that these bits cost, it could save you a lot of headache in the long run.